Hi friends, thanks for picking up your Sugar Skull Kit from the library in celebration of Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. These are sponsored by Heart and Soul, a local nonprofit. Inside, you will find an information sheet that will give you QR codes to videos to watch some performances by Aztec dancers and mariachi group, and then below a QR code to some episodes that the library hosted on their podcast. One is Heart and Soul, one is the High School Luck Club, and one is from a local poet named Joser. Inside your Sugar Skull Kit, you'll find everything that you need to decorate. The one thing you won't find is a cup or some water that you might need when cleaning your brushes. Let's go ahead and open up your kit. You'll take the bag out, you'll unwrap the paper. Inside, you'll find a tray for your mixing your paint, a paintbrush, some jewels to bedazzle, some paints which you can mix because these are primary colors to make other colors, and a popsicle stick to help you place things, and most importantly, your handmade sugar skull. Now remember, these are not for eating. What you can do at home is if you have icing, you can use icing instead of paint. That is the traditional way to decorate your skull, but either way is perfectly fine. The next thing you want to do is figure out what colors you want to use for paint. You can see that I already pre-mixed some colors. To make green, I used yellow and blue. To make orange, I used yellow and red. And to make purple, I used blue and red. Any of these colors you can make lighter or darker, however you want, and you add white to make any of the colors lighter. And for pink, you do red and white, and that'll make a pink color. You can use the popsicle sticks to stir your colors as well, so that you don't have to use your paintbrush. Next, you're gonna think of a design or how you wanna start painting and decorating your sugar skull. I'm gonna do red, and I'm gonna draw a little heart right here. And then you can take your paint and fill it in. Like that. And don't forget, on the other side of your paintbrush, you have a little, on the other side you can make little polka dots. And that helps make it decorating easy. And then you have some jewels. Some of them are adhesive, so they're already sticky. They're gonna stay wherever you put them. One of the big ones though, they have to be on paint, and that's how they'll dry. So you'll put those in here. Just like that. And remember, there's no wrong way to decorate your sugar skull. It's whatever you want to do and however you think it looks best. Don't forget to make sure you have help to decorate because it can be very messy. And have lots of fun.